You may already know about the famous sport of cricket, but you probably don't know about the styles of bowling. 1. Pace. Pace bowling is the most popular style out of the 3. As you can see here, the bowler runs in straight and fast and takes long strides. Then, when he gets to the crease, he releases the ball just after his arm passes his head. Two, leg spin. Here, the bowler walks in with a short run-up. Then, he twists his wrist left. He is aiming to put the ball high in the air so the batter cannot see it. Then, the ball comes down later. When the ball hits the ground, it deviates left. 3. Off spin. When bowling off spin, the bowler grips the ball with 3 fingers. Then, he twists his wrist right. When the ball hits the ground, it spins opposite to the way it would if it was leg spin. Fun facts. When bowling leg spin, the bowler can bowl a wrong-un, which makes the ball spin right instead of left.